Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about input and output in Python. So first of all, let's have a look at the objectives. So today we have two major objectives: understanding output and understanding input. So let's start with understanding output. So usually a program takes input and processes it to produce output. You must have studied it in grade 1 or 2. And in Python you can use print function. I'm not saying you can only use, but you can use it's like an option, print function, to produce an output. So here I am with an example. So you see in this example, yes, on this note I would like to tell you, in my previous video I forgot to mention /n element. This element is used to separate two words in a single line. So you see here in print function I use this line and divided it into two parts. So Faraz and world are in different lines. So now let's come back to the topic. So you see, using print function I have produced an output. You can similarly perform calculation and produce an output in print using print function. So you see, print 1 plus 1 equals to 2. This is an example of producing output with print function. So friends, now let's move on to input. So to get input from the user in Python, we use input function. This function prompts user for input in form of string. If not defined, that means the default form of input is string, but you can define it. We will talk about the definitions of input later on, but right now I'll give you an example. So you see in this example, I need an input with the line enter something. So this is a syntax: input bracket 2 double quotation marks and your message in between that would be displayed while taking an input, and then you close the bracket. So you see here I had a command in the second line. So when I type Faraz over here, I got an result as Faraz. So this was my input and this was my output. Okay friends, thank you friends, this was enough for this video. Please subscribe my channel, keep watching, and